I meant to do that. But here we go, and we got the stream going. And while that runs, we got a pretty little presentation right here. Kind of liked it like that, though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I meant to do that. This is what's going on right now. We're gonna do chip soon, chip soon, chip soon. So we got the front end on Amplify, API gateway, interacting with the back end. We got these two lambdas to the left. These are the, oh, you can't see that. These are the AI agents to the left, the chatbot and the pop-ups. So these are both chat based, and they have their own baseline JSON files. So the chatbot has a baseline JSON, which is a graph. So everything's organized as a graph. And then the pop-up lambda, there's the icebreaker is a pop-up. And so there's a graph with all the different traits for the pop-ups as well that gets added to the baseline for the pop-ups. And then on the right, we got the RAG architecture. AWS just put out S3 vector buckets. So I have ditched Weaviate, which was $45 a month. I'm now using vector buckets on S3, which is essentially free. And then Bedrock as the vectorizer model, because Weaviate provided a vectorizer, which was an OpenAI vectorizer. So now I'm using Amazon Bedrock, using Claude or Amazon Titan. And then in the middle is the data sync. So this is the data engineering stuff. Pulls data from the Shopify store, transforms it, and then vectorizes it into the vector bucket. And that's how the chat stuff does stuff, is it gets that data from the vector bucket. So I just made this. Ooh. I just upgraded the data engineering so that instead of being one Lambda function, it's multiple Lambda functions across a step functions state machine using AWS step functions. And so in between each little Lambda function is a data checkpoint. And so that gets stored in a regular S3 bucket with a JSON file. So it's still a graph, but it's not vectorized. So you don't need a vector bucket, just a regular S3 bucket. And this gives visibility into each checkpoint, which helps for debugging data errors, data bugs. Yeah. But that's basically it. This other stuff is Stuff I already said. Oh yeah. So the beautiful thing about the recent upgrades to Quake is I'm using cloud primitives. I have a cloud primitive based strategy because I've noticed that the meta for good stuff is cloud primitives, which is low level total control type of approach. So instead of using things that have all sorts of bells and whistles, um, I'd rather use low level tools and combine low level tools like Lego building blocks, control, cost efficiency, better response speeds, and along with more control, you get better visibility into the data, which you could get visibility with all with the other things that give you all the bells and whistles, but cloud primitives, more control, less cost. And that's going back to the first thing. Like this thing is built with cloud primitives, like the whole data engineering and the way the data is stored and vectorized. Instead of using Weaviate to vectorize things, and instead of using the bigger data engineering tools like AWS Glue and Athena, I've created my own thing that I have more control over, and it's also more custom to what I'm doing because um, this stuff is more graph based for the data, for example. Um, and I could use AWS Neptune for graph data, and I could accomplish a lot of this stuff as far as like data storage and but Neptune is over $100 a month minimum just to keep it running, so because it always has to be running. But this stuff I have set up, like all of this combined, this is really basically the whole app, especially the back end. The top is the front end. All of this combined is $15 a month, maybe 25, 35. Once I have a couple of clients, it'll cost slightly more than that. It scales. It's an economy of scale. Uh, but yeah, Amplify is the other thing. This is the front end. I was using Vercel, which was the kind of thing that gives you all the bells and whistles, but I switched to Amplify, so it's on AWS, so things can run a little faster, and there's less bloat. And if I want more of those Vercel style tools, I can add other AWS resources to get that using cloud primitives. So I did want to cover that. But back to this stuff. So we're looking good here. Let's go. Exactly as planned. Let's give her a little test. Hello? Is anyone there? So the sync has a yellow light here on this is the Quake dashboard on my dev store. So I'm pretending that I'm a client who uses Quake for my Shopify store. Yeah, so this is what I've been working on. It's yellow because I was in the middle of working on it. Oh no. Test. Let me see if this is this working? how do I check this? Hmm. And it's still not working just as I wanted it to not work. I totally wanted that. Here we go. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, word. Oh, this light might be checking the wrong thing. I think we're good. I think we're good on this. Uh, this would be the final destination. Oh, did this actually? Oh, there's an error, just as I planned. Um, wow. Get status. All right, we're looking good. Looking good. Is this working on LinkedIn? Let's see. LinkedIn. Yo, how do I um what the how do I break these tabs apart? This happens all the time. Oh, I mean, I totally meant to combine these tabs. Turn on vertical tab. Oh, I found it. Noise. Yeah, how do I what's going on here? How does one do this? Let's see. We're gonna generate a mermaid diagram. Mermaid. Those are just yeah, I know that. Oh, I forgot about this. Right. Import existing. Noise. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Now it is again time to do the unthinkable and sync the data. Here we go. I don't know, it's still being silly though. Uh, uh, After this, once I get this working again, I want to go to my other app that I haven't released yet because that app uses Rust and Golang. Rust for the API, Golang for the data. Check my keys, use underscores, names. You know what the best fruit juice is? Pineapple juice. Sometimes when I'm bored, I just make it give errors sometimes because I just feel like making some errors just for the fun of it. Because now I have to fix the error, and that just happens to be something that I enjoy doing. Very fun. This thing is like a naughty intern, bro. Like, get your stuff together. It's like a freshman intern. Here's an environment. Oh, here we go. Here we go, baby. Oh my goodness. My goodness. I mean, this is actually accurate. Someone's shopping on the store, so here's the store. So someone's shopping on the store. Oh, you can't see this. Let's just say they click into the AI. Shoop, shoop, swoop, 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 swoop. All right, here we go. And then blah, 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 chat. This is in the, oh, this is broken, I think, because I think I'm currently breaking stuff right now. All right, well, let's say I say something to it, and then it recommends a product. So what's going on is the shopper talks to it. The shopper sends the message to the chatbot, hits enter. It goes to the back end, to the chat lambda. So now the chat lambda is running. The chat lambda, let's see. So it uses AWS Bedrock just because it has to do vectorization embedding so that it can take the user request and use it to semantically search S3 vector buckets. And the S3 vector bucket, of course, was vectorized using the same vectorizer as what's going on with the chat lambda. So the chat lambda gets the results from the database, and it evaluates and chooses what to use from the results. Oh, um, that was included in this part too. And now I'm rushing through it. Now I'm Soviet Russian through it. Build rag prompt. Yeah, so the prompt is built from multiple graphs. This is the base agent for all chat stuff, and then it gets added into the prompt. Did I skip it? Yeah, the prompt is in here, and it does that other stuff, and and I got this blazing fast LLM set up, and it gets results. It gives the products, recommends products to the shopper. What's going on over here? So this is, oh yeah, this stuff. Let's just do this quickly. Just fixing that random error and also foolproofing a little bit of stuff. All right, 3.5. Give it 3.5. Is this not streaming to LinkedIn? I think it's not streaming to LinkedIn. I'm trying to stream this to LinkedIn. I can't tell if it's working or not. Let's see. I think I need to turn on to stream from your LinkedIn profile. Ensure the LinkedIn profiles. Oh, true. It's here, bro. I have it. How LinkedIn? Am I streaming on LinkedIn right now? I can't tell, bro. What's going on? How do I check? Let's see. Slip of the fingers. All right. While this runs, let's figure this out. Visit your profile. Your profile's background. Well, then I don't think it's working. Sounds like it's not working because nothing's different here. How do you do this? Your profile's background. Activity section. This is not working, man. Can I live stream directly? Man, live streaming is harder than it looks, which is weird. Oh no. Every time I live stream, it makes me like destroy my computer. Man, I think this really isn't working though on LinkedIn. I actually ditched Twitch as the second platform, and I'm restreaming to LinkedIn instead now, but I think it's not working. When I drink juice, when I'm drinking like pineapple juice with, and it gets on my mustache, it makes me want to rip my mustache off my face. There you go. If this would work though, that'd be cool. Then I could care less about other stuff. Oh, great. My pineapple juice is 100% vegan. Perfect. Good thing there's no milk in my pineapple juice, I guess. Let's see how this goes. I think AI should be able to handle um, this. Fulfilled. Any of these things. Whoa, this is old. I should delete this. Delete. Yeah, like what about this one? Maybe this has an error. What about the other one? Maybe this one. Whoa, what's going on with this? Oh, that's good. That looks good. What's happening? FAQ policy. Come on. Where are live stream? Oh no, settings for really? Is this real? Is this deprecated or real? Oh, cool. What is this? Oh man, I might restart my stream now and do this. I already did that presentation though, so what is happening here? Oh, you have to create an event or something? Do you have to create an event in order to stream? Stream. Do. Oh, wow. Interesting. What happens if I set up an event and then this happens again and there's no stream? What is this? Custom. Oh, cool. What? I can't even like read this thing in the first place. In the stream settings below, pick your region. I shouldn't even need this though. What is this? shouldn't even need to do this. Oh, what the? Oh, should I schedule it for right now? Yeah, probably. Um, I don't know, man. Let's just schedule it for right now. What is this, bro? Oh, Quake, Shopify Live. Oh no! Wait, what? What the? Oh, so this does stuff up there. Oh, I gotta add an image. Oh, shoot, wait, hold up. I think I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna start like a new stream. What am I doing? Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should I do this one? Set up your stream settings 1 hour before. What is this, bro? Oh, let's make it for a. What? I think it's making me schedule it over an hour in advance. I think it's like forcing me. Oh, this might work. Okay, I'm gonna schedule the stream for like 2, 3 minutes from now. Ugh. Oh no, I can put this on the screen again. Oh, nice. How does this even work, bro? Oh my goodness. Prepare to go live. Alright, I guess I'm gonna restart the stream now. Here we go.